Hello all. Well, very noisy city day. Lots of construction going on and tree cutting and you name it, it's going on. But I'm going to try and do a video anyway. Just ignore all the noise, huh? Well, we're going to head up this way on a beautiful, cool San Francisco winter's day. Alright guys, let's talk about sea ice loss and how important it is to the tipping point of no return. The Nares Straits, the oldest and thickest sea ice in the world, is now beginning to disintegrate. This is the last ice area that covers hundreds of thousands of square miles. That's between Canada and Greenland. The 40-kilometer wide channel where the ice would last for 200 to 250 days now only lasts 100 to 150 days. From 1990 to 2000, ice loss was 42,000 kilometers of ice per year. Now it's 86,000 square kilometers of ice per year. Now the problem is that the sea ice blocks the thick ice from going out and melting away. So the less days you have of that ice being in that channel and stopping the flow. But since now we've lost so many days, they think that's what happened to the thick ice. It all flowed away. And the problem is, if we were to recover and somehow start to cool back down, that ice is absolutely crucial to keep the planet down at a reasonable temperature. But since that ice is now leaving, and yeah, that's not a good issue. See, a lot of people think about blue ocean event and during the summer and all that. That's not really the important stuff. The important stuff is the movement of the ice in the north. It needs to be kept at a minimum. It means the big storms can't come up and start moving the ice around, and the warm weather and all that is really creating quite a problem in the Arctic. We need that ice to survive. It is looking more and more as if we're not going to have it for much longer. There's so many things individuals can do to try and stop global climate change, or at least slow it down. And of course, it's all the basic stuff. Driving a smaller vehicle or a newer one that has less pollution coming out of it. Living near where you work, walking to the store to go shopping, all that kind of thing really helps a lot keep the CO2 down from your footprint, but also what you eat. Can anybody tell me what food is it that's causing most of the deforestation loss around the world? Lots of things that need to be done that aren't being done because people have their preferences and their favorite thing that they still want to do even though they know it's extremely bad for our planet. They're just not willing to go there. People, if we don't go there, we'll go away. I appreciate all the ups and downs and new subscribers. And on an uncertain day, just a couple of miles from here, Tweeter in San Francisco is now boarded up and ready for an onslaught of Trump supporters. Will they show up today? Will they cause trouble? We don't know. The insurrection continues.